Hello, good afternoon, students. In this video, I am going to explain about canals. Canal is a main component or a part in the irrigation system. Canal usually the water is allowed to flow in the way that is canal that will be connected from the reservoir. A canal is an artificial channel constructed to carry water from a river or from a tank or reservoir for various purposes such as irrigation, power generation, navigation, etc. The terms canal and channel are, however, synonymous and hence they mean one and the same. In general, the canals have trapezoidal cross section. The canals are usually designated according to the purpose for which they are constructed as irrigation canals, power canals, navigation canals, etc. Classification of irrigation channels. Classification is based on the nature of source of supply. The first one is permanent canal. In this, there are two again classification: perennial canals and non-perennial canals. The second one is inundation canals. The first one is permanent canal and second one is inundation canals. And again, the classification based on the function of the canal. First one is feeder canals and the second one is carrier canals. The classification again based on discharge and relative importance in a given network of canals. First one is main canal, second is branch canal, third one is major distributary, fourth is minor distributary, and the fifth is field channel. The fourth classification based on canal alignment. First one is ridge canal, that is watershed canal. Second is contour canal. Third is side slope canals. Classification based on financial output. On the base of financial output, the canals are classified into two. The first one is productive canals, second one is protective canals. Again, classification based on the soil through which constructed. The first one is alluvial canals, second one is non-alluvial canals. Classification based on provision of lining. First one is unlined canals and the second one is lined canals. Students, you can see the different types of canals on the screen. Alignment of canals. For the alignment of irrigation canal, following some considerations are made. The considerations are: first one, an irrigation canal should be aligned in such a way that maximum area is irrigated with the least length of channel and its cost, including cost of cross drainage works, is minimum. A shorter length of the canal has channel a shorter length of the canal has less loss of head due to friction and smaller loss of water due to seepage and evaporation, so that additional area can be brought under cultivation. Second one is, it shall follow ridge line to ensure better command, as also few drainages to be intercepted, thereby avoiding cross drainage works, and irrigation is done on both sides of the canals. Third one is, it shall mount ridge line in minimum possible length from the point of offtake from the river, the lowest point. Fourth one is, it shall take direct route as far as possible to the area to be irrigated to ensure economy, minimum loss of head and transmission losses. Fifth one, when passing near a village or town, it shall pass on lower side even at additional cost. Sixth one, it shall run through the heart of the command area as far as possible to keep the cost of distributing channels minimum. It shall have optimum alignment in the head reach, where it is generally in deep cutting and intercepted by large drainages, making it expensive. It shall run straight if watershed line makes a sharp loop, skirts bodies, religious places, and other valuable properties. Next point is, the number of cross drainage works shall be minimum. And 10th one is, it shall avoid the country where soil is sandy, alkaline, waterlogged, perched water table, and hard to excavate. 11th one, the curves and bends are minimum and of optimum radius. 12th, the alignment should not be made in rocky, brackish, or cracked strata. 13th point, minimum the length or shorter the alignment, the lesser are the absorption losses and lower the maintenance charges. 14th point, it shall normally be so aligned that the angle of crossing with the metalled roads and railway lines is 90 degree or not sharper than 60 degree. The sharpest angle of crossing is limited to 45 degree in exceptional cases. With respect to drainage, it shall cross where the stream is straight with minimum catchment area upstream and minimum waterway. 16 point, aligned and balancing depth, heavy Filling not only increases cost and seepage losses but also is prone to breaches. Deep cutting is also avoided. It shall not unduly upset water courses is not more than 3 kilometer. Blind length of canal, that is where it does not have outlets to irrigate adjoining area, should be the minimum. So these are alignment of canals. Dear students, in the next video I'll discuss about the components of canal section. Thank you.